just tonight. It's going to continue tomorrow. Your weekend is going to be pretty wet. Look at the rain that's coming up through southern Illinois and Indiana now, and that is tracking up toward us. We're going to end up with a lot of rain for the night tonight. And as mentioned, that's going to fall on saturated ground. It's already wet out there, so the ground can't just absorb that. A lot of it's going to run off, and that can create some flooding issues. Some mist and drizzle around the area right now. There are even a few places reporting some patchy fog. But here's the flood watch, and that's going to start, well, it's already started. It lasts until 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and it runs from Delaware all the way down through Portsmouth, and then out to the southeast. It gets into parts of the Hocking Hills and down toward Marietta. Athens and along the Hocking River, you've got some flood warnings there already. The water's running pretty high. And wind advisories kick in for tomorrow because especially in the afternoon, we could see wind gusts getting to 50 miles per hour. Right now it's 42 degrees at John Glenn Columbus International Airport. The wind out of the northeast at 9 miles per hour, so a little bit of a wind chill. Your Atlas Butler current conditions in Newark are at 43, London and Lancaster at 41, Zanesville and Cambridge at 40. But here comes the rain. That is going to continue through the night tonight and at times can be very heavy. The model's showing 3 o'clock in the morning with some very heavy rain and the potential for some thunder. All of that is adding to the 2 to 3 inches that have already fallen across a lot of parts of central Ohio. So because of that, that flood watch is even more important. 8 o'clock tonight, rain, 46 degrees, 45 by 9 o'clock tonight, and your overnight low drops to around 43. Showers, a few rumbles of thunder, breezy, and the potential for downpours. This is all because a warm front is going to lift through the state. It's attached to this big low pressure center, and this is what's going to create the strong gusty winds tomorrow. So as this front lifts in, that's going to generate some warmer air. It's going to bring that up from the south, and then this cold front comes through, which will take a lot of the precipitation off to the east. On Sunday, this high pressure center moves in, and that will give us a break from some of the rain and let us get some sunshine in here. But between here and there, it is going to get very, very windy. Wind gusts Saturday afternoon could get 30 to 50 miles per hour. That's why that wind advisory is in effect. Wouldn't be surprised at seeing that upgraded. The wind advisory could even be upgraded into warning status by the time we get to tomorrow morning. The rainfall totals, especially to the northwest of Columbus, are likely to get into the triple digits, at least from hundredths of an inch, that is. So more than an inch of rain across a lot of the state for the overnight hours tonight into tomorrow. So it's going to be very wet. Your high tomorrow right around noon, 64 degrees. Then the front goes through and we start to cool off pretty quickly. So tomorrow's high 64. It's going to be a very windy, wet day. Then Sunday, some sunshine at 56 degrees, a few showers on Monday and Tuesday, and back to 52 with sunshine on Wednesday.